So Barry Franks here with UFX LLC in Boston Fog, and today I wanted to show you some simple maintenance on the Patriot with regards to your jet. This is in a manual on page 18-19, but I've had many questions over the years, so I thought I'd do a simple video. This is a 9/16 wrench, but these are all designed to be taken off by hand. Once you take the stainless steel tip off, your jet is located underneath. You can see that the jet has a very small hole in the top. That's 15 thousandths of an inch. So that's where you're gonna clog. If you're squeezing the trigger and no liquid's coming out, it should look like this. You should have a jet of spray coming out. If it's clogged, simply push down the orange push to connect and remove the jet. When you pull the jet out, you'll see that the other side has a giant hole compared to the tiny 15 thousandths. At this point, you turn it around, you put the tiny hole into the push to connect, the big hole on top. Now whatever debris was clogged in there will get shot out of it. You then simply, sometimes it's easy to grab it with a shirt. Put it back in the right way and you're good to go. Put your tip back on. Turn the machine on, you're good to go.